Hello and welcome to this Excel tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to create hyperlinks. Now hyperlinks are a great way of linking your Excel file to other documents or to make it a bit more smooth for the user, and you can also link it within the document itself and also to websites as well. So it's a really useful thing to learn and to use once you know how to use it. What I will be doing is showing you how to create internal links within the file, and then external links to linking within maybe a different Excel file or just a different folder. And then I will be showing you how to link to a website as well. So let's get started. Let's go firstly to our internal link. And what we're going to be doing is, if you go into the cell where you want to create the link and you right click, you'll come up with a list of options. If you go right to the bottom, you'll see the option link, and a window will appear if you click on that link. And what you can do is you go to place in this document, various options on the left side, and then you have a window appearing, and you've got where it says cell reference, you'll have a list of all the cells, of all the tabs you have access to link to within the page. So what you can do then is you can just click on one of those. So if I click on VLOOKUP versus index match and press OK, and then I click onto that, it'll create a link here, and then what you can do is you can click on that link and it'll go straight to the tab. So that's how you create a link to internally within the tab. And what you can do to edit it, if you want to link it to a different tab, is you can either remove it completely, or if you right click again, or you can click on edit, right click and click on edit hyperlink, and then you can link it to a different tab. So let's say just the VLOOKUP one, another one of my tutorials. But just be careful here because the text will remain the same. So if you want to just have the text remain differently and edited it like that, you have to make sure you remove the text to display, remove the cell reference, and then you click on the link, the tab where you want to link into. So now when I press OK, the name of the new tab will appear. So just something to watch out for there. And then this will go straight to my other tutorial. Cool. And if you want to remove it completely, just right click and press remove. Next thing is to link outside your file to a folder. So in this case, exactly the same thing. Right click, go down to link, but at this time you click on existing web or file page, and what you can do is you can just now scan, you give it your directory here listed, and you can just scan through and find the folder you want to go into. So in this case, if I just go up one by clicking the file, here it says up one folder next to the thing, next to the search box here. Click analystrising videos. I'm just trying to match what I've got to the right here. And then I've got Python and then tutorial sheets, and this folder contains all my Python tutorials because I also do Python tutorials as well. And then if I click OK, I get this Python tutorial sheets here. Notice I've got dot on the left. That's fine, that doesn't matter. That just means that it doesn't want to list the long sort of route to get to that folder. But if you click on it, you'll have this folder will appear and open like this. Cool. So the next example will be actually using Excel to open another Excel file. So if we right click and then go back to the link, exactly the same thing again. You find your Excel file this time, not just the folder, but you find the file. So if I go back and try and find this same link on the right, so if I go to my videos, my Python, my tutorial sheets, my Excels, and my name output, and click OK. Same dot because it's a long way to the file, well into my folders. And if I click on that, it will open another file. And this is the file with all the names I've got for one of my tutorials. Cool, so we just close that new file we just opened. And the final thing is the link to a website. So what you can do here is there's a couple ways you can do this. I think I'll show you the easiest way, which is if you actually go into your web page. Let's just use Google, and if we just get this URL, go to top left, press Control-C, and then Control-V, just copying it over. Essentially just copy and paste it over, and then that will create a link to that web page. So now if we just delete this so I can show how it opens up again. If you click into it, it will open it up again and we'll have a link to that web page. So I hope you've enjoyed that tutorial. It's just a quick one on hyperlinks. Please do subscribe to my channel, and as I've alluded to in the video, I do also have Python tutorials if you are keen on learning how to do that. Thank you very much for watching, and please do share for anyone who you think may benefit from this. Thank you.